Have you ever checked your mailbox only to find a mysterious email from Capital One nestled amongst the bills and flyers? Maybe it arrived right after you made a big purchase, or perhaps during a period of inactivity with your account. It could be an offer for a new card, a notification about a service update, or something else entirely. But one question lingers: is this email legit, or is it a sneaky attempt to steal your financial information? Fear not, credit card warriors. In this video, we'll crack the code on Capital One's email habits, helping you navigate their communication style and identify genuine messages from clever phishing scams. So, buckle up and get ready to sort the real from the real when it comes to Capital One emails. First things first, let's establish the good guys. Capital One will definitely email you for a variety of reasons related to your account. These can be broadly categorized into two buckets: essential account information and marketing updates. On the essential side, expect emails about your online account login details. If you've forgotten your password or set up a new account, Capital One will send you a secure email with login information. Monthly statement reminders. Gone are the days of overflowing mailboxes. Capital One will nudge you about when your latest statement is ready to view online. Account changes. Did you update your billing address or security settings? Capital One will confirm these changes via email. Important service updates. Think new regulations or security protocols. Capital One might explain them through email. Now, remember that Capital One is also a business, and they like to keep their customers engaged. So, unless you've opted out, you might receive emails about product features. Did Capital One introduce a new rewards program or travel insurance option? You might get an email highlighting these features. New products and services. Looking to expand your credit horizons? Capital One might tempt you with emails about new card offerings. Competitions and promotions. Who doesn't love a good contest? Capital One might use email to announce exciting opportunities. Now that we've explored the why behind Capital One's emails, let's delve into the how, specifically, how to identify a genuine email from Capital One and avoid falling prey to phishing scams. Here are some red flags to watch out for. Urgency and scare tactics. Phishing emails often pressure you to take immediate action, like clicking a link or confirming personal information to avoid account closure. Capital One won't resort to scare tactics in their emails. Generic greetings. A legitimate email from Capital One will address you by name. Generic greetings like "Dear Customer" are a hallmark of phishing scams. Suspicious links and attachments. Be wary of clicking on links or opening attachments in unsolicited emails, even those claiming to be from Capital One. It's always safer to log into your online account directly to access any information. Misspellings and grammatical errors. Professional financial institutions like Capital One maintain high standards for communication. Emails riddled with typos or awkward phrasing are likely scams. If you receive a suspicious email claiming to be from Capital One, don't click on anything. Here's what to do instead. Forward the email to Capital One's dedicated phishing email address. This helps them track and shut down malicious campaigns. Report the email as spam. This alerts your email provider and helps protect others. Contact Capital One directly through their official channels, like their website or phone number listed on the back of your card. Remember, a little vigilance goes a long way in protecting your financial information. By understanding Capital One's email practices and staying alert to phishing attempts, you can keep your inbox secure and your credit card woes at bay. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe in the digital world.